How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Martin with Bellaboro Auto Spa, and today's video is we're revisiting the Chem-X silencer kit. Now, if you've seen my previous video, you would have seen that for me this did not work out so well. Now this is a kit they put together with components from Suttner. So this solenoid and this foaming tip that goes in your pressure washer is from Suttner. It's a very high quality component manufacturer for pressure washing systems. Yeah, so it's from Suttner, and this it didn't work out too well for me because Suttner, when they make this, they have people with gas and industrial pressure washers in mind because that's the majority of people using it. And when I say that, I mean, you know, you want a water flow, you want flow of upwards of 3 gallons per minute to get good foam out of this with what they include with it. So after I talked to Chem-X and after Bob from Chem-X saw my video, you know, he seemed kind of let down just like I was. He was expecting more as well. So they contacted Suttner. Suttner said, okay, try it with a different orifice. So they sent me a smaller orifice. This is it right here. I believe they refer to this as a 1.5 because I think what's in there right now is a 2.0. Let me get this out of the bag without dropping it. Oops. Bumped the camera. So this is the orifice right here. They said this is a 2.0 orifice compared to what's in here right now. And I already pre-loosened this up. You do need tools to loosen it up, but don't let stuff fall out. Okay, so this is 2.0, it's supposed to be 1.5, so this does look smaller, so hopefully that alleviates our issue. So I do want to take the O-ring, obviously, and change it out. Stick that in there. It's a new one. Take our O-ring, stick that in there. Actually, I think the O-ring should be in here. There we go, yeah, that's where the O-ring goes. I'm going to screw it back together. And I'm going to use the Chem-X foam to test it out. It is a good foaming soap, as I've tested before. I believe it already has the 1 to 100 metering tip on it, which is all I should need. So let me go get set up, and we'll see how it works this time around. Okay, so set it up. Now it comes this way, standard configuration. If you need the connections reversed, let them know when you order it. Literally just connect it here. Make the pressure washer loose. And this works via the Venturi effect, like a lot of soap injectors. So for me, I'm going to prime this up first because obviously I don't want it to be drawing soap while I'm priming my hose because I need my hose filled with water for this pressure washer to work. It's very finicky. So I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, got the hose primed up. So this is simple. You just stick it in your soap. Just like that. Alright. And grab the tip. Stick this on your pressure washer gun. Just like so. And I'm not going to show it, but I'm just going to show you how when the pressure drops in this, you're going to see it start to suck the soap through. See how that works? Well, let's look at the car and we'll see how this foams. Alright, so my wife's car is right here. It's the moment of truth. Alright, and you know, it's still better than last time, but it's not the best, obviously not like foam cannon, but still an improvement. So You could definitely wash your car with that, I'd say. You know, it's not thick cleaning, but it stays on the surface. It's not running down like last time. So that's what we got here. Not much to say about it though. That's pretty much it, guys. So if you have a low flow pressure washer, it's kind of what you can expect. So I appreciate you watching this quick video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep them clean. Have a good one.